Good news! From the feedback from our candidates, our new updated Cloud Digital Leader exam dumps with 66 questions and answers are high coverage and passed with high score. If you are going to take your Google Cloud Digital Leader exam, it will help you prepare for your exam easily and boost your confidence to perform well in real exams. Questions 1. What would provide near unlimited availability of computing resources without requiring your organization to procure and provision new equipment? A. Public cloud. B. Containers. C. Private cloud. D. Microservices. Answer: A. Questions 2. Your organization needs to ensure that the Google Cloud resources of each of your departments are segregated from one another. Each department has several environments of its own: development, testing, and production. Which strategy should your organization choose? A. Create a project per department, and create a folder per environment in each project. B. Create a folder per department, and create a project per environment in each folder. C. Create a cloud identity domain per department, and create a project per environment in each domain. D. Create a cloud identity domain per environment, and create a project per department in each domain. Answer: D. Questions 3. Your organization wants to migrate your on-premises environment to Google Cloud. The on-premises environment consists of containers and virtual machine instances. Which Google Cloud products can help to migrate the container images and the virtual machine disks? A. Compute Engine and File Store. B. Artifact Registry and Cloud Storage. C. Dataflow and BigQuery. D. Pub, Sub and Cloud Storage. Answer: A. Questions 4. Your company's development team is building an application that will be deployed on Cloud Run. You are designing a CI/CD pipeline so that any new version of the application can be deployed in the fewest number of steps possible using the CI/CD pipeline you are designing. You need to select a storage location for the images of the application after the C part of your pipeline has built them. What should you do? A. Create a compute engine image containing the application. B. Store the images in container registry. C. Store the images in cloud storage. D. Create a compute engine disk containing the application. Answer: B. Questions 5. Your organization is running all its workloads in a private cloud on top of a hypervisor. Your organization has decided it wants to move to Google Cloud as quickly as possible. Your organization wants minimal changes to the current environment, while using the maximum amount of managed services Google offers. What should your organization do? A. Migrate the workloads to Google Cloud VMware Engine. B. Migrate the workloads to Compute Engine. C. Migrate the workloads to Bare Metal Solution. D. Migrate the workloads to Google Kubernetes Engine. Answer: B. Question 6. Your organization is developing and deploying an application on Google Cloud. Tracking your Google Cloud spending needs to stay as simple as possible. What should you do to ensure that workloads in the development environment are fully isolated from production workloads? A. Apply a unique tag to development resources. B. Associate the development resources with their own network. C. Associate the development resources with their own billing account. D. Put the development resources in their own project. Answer: D. Question 7. As your organization increases its release velocity, the VM-based application upgrades take a long time to perform rolling updates due to OS boot times. You need to make the application deployments faster. What should your organization do? A. Migrate your VMs to the cloud, and add more resources to them. B. Convert your applications into containers. C. Increase the resources of your VMs. D. Automate your upgrade rollouts. Answer: D. Questions 8. Your organization needs to categorize objects in a large group of static images using machine learning. Which Google Cloud product or service should your organization use? A. BigQuery ML. B. AutoML Video Intelligence. C. Cloud Vision API. D. AutoML Tables. Answer: D. Questions 9. Your organization is developing a plan for migrating to Google Cloud. What is a best practice when initially configuring your Google Cloud environment? A. Create a project via Google Cloud Console per department in your company. B. Define your resource hierarchy with an organization node on top. C. Create projects based on team members' requests. D. Make every member of your company the project owner. Answer: B. Questions 10. Your organization wants to migrate its data management solutions to Google Cloud because it needs to dynamically scale up or down and to run transactional SQL queries against historical data at scale. Which Google Cloud product or service should your organization use? A. BigQuery. B. Cloud Bigtable. C. Pub Sub. D. Cloud Spanner. Answer: D.